Hello, hello.
Hey.
Good morning, everybody. Do you know what we're doing? I bet you don't. We are about to get onto a train. We're going back in time. But this is going to be super fun. We are going to be doing a railroad ride, 20 miles through the Verde Canyon, along the Verde River. About 45-minute drive from our Boondockers welcome spot in Prescott.
Yeah.
And we're excited about it. We're looking for our train now. We're on the Tucson, and I think here we are. Oh, that's the Clarksdale. Yeah, that's the Tucson. But it's gonna be super neat. We're gonna squeeze this one in. Some fun times.
Yeah.
The sun is blaring. It is hot. The drive here was amazing. We went, I don't know what mountain range that was.
It was the Prescott National Forest.
Yeah, so we drove through the Prescott National Forest. I think it's like 100 and something turns. Hairpin turns, but it was awesome. And looking forward to doing this as well. Hopefully you can hear us.
Yeah, you may not be able to hear us.
We're going to be doing 20 miles on this railroad. It's the longest railroad scenic view you can do in here. Verde Canyon. It's awesome. So we are having fun on the railroad. It's actually good that a lot of the trees aren't full moon, so you can see the river.
sunrise in my eyes, just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life. My boots and briefcase are waiting at the door. My ride sweeter to meet the one I love. I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.